Quick, graph y equals f of the opposite of x by hand, given y equals f of x, this graph in blue here. This is part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during the video. To graph y equals f at the opposite of x, we're going to use a table, but we're going to use a 3-column table, and we're going to place the x values from the blue function into the 3-column table provided, starting with -5, because that's the lowest value on the blue function, all the way to +5, the maximum value, and all the integers in between. We're going to take the opposite of each x value, because that's what it says to do, f at the opposite of x. So -5 becomes 5. And then we evaluate f at that opposite value, that 5, and we need to read that from the graph. So at x equals 5, the y value is 2, and then we plot that ordered pair, -5, 2. Please press pause anytime if I'm going too quickly. -4, opposite is 4. F at 4, reading from the graph, is 1. So -4, 1. The opposite of -3 is +3. F at 3 is 0. So -3, 0. The opposite of -2 is +2. F at 2 on this function is -1. So the ordered pair is -2, -1. At 1 also it's -1, so -1, -1. At 0 it's -1, so 0, -1. And also at -1 it's -1. And when x is +1, the opposite of x is -1. And f at -1 is -1. So 1, -1. 2's opposite is -2. F at -2 is up there at +2, so 2, 2. 3's opposite, f at -3 is 3, so 3, 3. 4's opposite is -4. F at -4 is actually at 4.5, so 4, 4.5. And 5's opposite is -5, and the function's value is its maximum up there at 6, so 5, 6. We need to connect the points, but as we do so, make sure we use the original function as we see the pattern, so that straight segments are straight segments, curves are curves, and so on. And so here it is, y equals f at the opposite of x. Comparing that to the parent function, not the same. And also comparing to y equals the opposite of f of x would look like this in brown. And so the question is it even, odd, or neither? Well, we can definitely see that the blue and green are not equal, so it's not even. The brown and the green are not equal, so it's not odd. So the answer is it's neither.